Hello, beautiful people. This is Danish. Welcome to my channel, Affiliate Stan, and I am here again with another update from myleadgensecret, MLGS, I like to call it. So before we get into the video, I would really appreciate if you could like and subscribe because I need it. I'm not gonna lie about it. I need it. I need the likes. So, with that out of the way, let's get into the business. Now, why I am making this video is because I need to show you that last night, this is my new account. This is my latest account. It's now almost a month old, and I just started, making some kind of some kind of rapport with my leads, the leads that this system is providing me very generously every day. And now I'm starting to make some commissions. I am making some sales. So as you can see in my last video, this was this first sale, and now this is the second sale. And I made $5 commission again. And just like before, if I go back to my old account, let me show you the affiliate section here. Come on, right here. Right over here, you can see that the same ID is appearing here in my commissions and downline, which means that both accounts are linked, and whenever I make a commission in this account right here, I will automatically make a downline commission over here in my original or first account, rather, but only $1 less. See, DIC 87, $4, and the other one was right here. It's right here. No need to scroll. It's AppKC $4 again. So when your downline make a sale, they get $5 and you get $4. So I'm just trying to tell you guys that this is a legit system, and you can promote whatever you want to promote, but try to stick to only BizOp offers, and you'll make some money. I mean, I've made some money with ClickBank. I've made some sales through Warrior Plus, and of course, whenever I promote this system itself, it makes good sales. It converts because the system. The thing about the myleadgensecret is if you promote myleadgensecret instead of other offers, it's gonna get you recurring commissions, and not many low ticket offers do that. If you have noticed on other platforms, only high ticket offers get you recurring commissions, not low ticket ones. Anything under $10 will never get you recurring commission unless they go for an upsell or something. So when you make a sale through myleadgensecret, you will automatically be entitled to have recurring commissions. So I think that's more than enough to be convinced that you should start doing this and get into this. But with that, I'm gonna end the video. Take care of yourselves and others around you, and don't you dare forget that like button. I mean it.